Hello student, myself Shantipada Dua, teacher of Midnapur College Autonomous, Department of Computer Science and Application. All are welcome to my YouTube channel GBTCS Group. Now question, why does such name? I have a personal software company named Global View Transcendental Computer Solution, in abbreviate or nickname GBTCS, website www.gbtcs.com. Now I explain why does it called group. This company serves multi-needs like custom softwares, text and video tutorials, projects, latest seminar topics, previous year question paper of NET, GATE, SET, JECA, etc., interview question answers, etc. That is, it serves a collection of or group of solutions. So, my YouTube channel name is GBTCS Group. To find my all videos, just go to YouTube channel and search GBTCS Group. All will be available. 3 playlists are there in 3 languages, namely Bengali, English and Hindi. Theory and practical guidelines of each subjects are also given there. This channel is important and resourceful for computer science students for school level to university level. Beyond this, it is same helpful for technical and engineering courses like BTech in computer science and engineering, BTech in information technology, BTech in network and data communication, data science, network security, and even for researcher and professionals too. Let's start video tutorial.
Core Java. Core Java. Content at a glance. Content at a glance. Unit 1. Introduction to OOP and Java. Introduction to OOP and Java. Character set. Character set. Unit 3. Data types. Size. Variables. And literals. Unit 4. Operator set. Unit 5. Branching statement. Or decision making. Unit 6. Loop or iteration. Iterative statement. Loop or iterative statement. Unit 7. Array. Unit 7. Array. Unit 8. Function or method and overloading. Function or method and overloading. Unit 9. Class, object, constructor, and destructor. Unit 10. Java modifiers. Unit 11. String. Unit 12. Inheritance. Unit 13. Virtual function. Unit 13. Virtual function. Unit 14. Exception handling. Unit 15. Package. Unit 16. Interface. Unit 16. Interface. Unit 17. Thread and animation. Unit 18. Enumeration. Wrapper class. Wrapper class. Autoboxing. And annotation. Annotation or metadata. Unit 19. Applet. Unit 20. IOStream handling. IOStream handling. IOStream handling. Unit 21. Unit 21. Java calendar class. Java calendar class. Date and time handling. Unit 22, library function. Library function, core only. Core only. Unit 23, components of advanced Java. Advanced Java. Unit 24, workout example. Unit 25, or last unit, and interview badge, model question and interview badge. This is total content under core Java. Next, I discuss each unit separately in depth. Okay. Unit 1, introduction to OOP and Java. Content in depth. What is OOP? What is OOP? Java as OOP. Java architecture. Java architecture. Java virtual machine. और JVM, bytecode, why Java, application of Java, application of Java, object and classes, object and class, first Java program, Java keywords, Java keywords, escape sequence, escape sequences, how Java differ from C and C++. How Java differs from C and C++. This is total content under Unit 1, that is Introduction to OOP and Java. Next, I discuss Unit 2, character set. There, nothing to be mentioned. So, I discuss Unit 3, data types, size, variables and literals. Unit 2, character set. Character set. In this unit, nothing to be mentioned, just have to follow my video tutorials. Next, Unit 3. Unit 3. Data types, size, variables, and literals. Declaring a variable, declaring a variable, dynamic initialization, dynamic initialization, the scope and lifetime of a variable, lifetime of variables, type conversion, type conversion and casting, type conversion and casting, Java's automatic conversions, Java's automatic conversions, casting, incompatible, types, casting incompatible types, operator, operator precedence. These are total content under Unit 3. Next, I discuss Unit 4, that is operator set. Unit 4. Operator set. Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Unary, binary, and ternary. Arithmetic operator, unary, binary, and ternary. Relational operator. Logical operator. Bitwise operator. Short circuit operator. Short circuit operator. Shorthand operator. Operator precedence. Precedence. Operator precedence. These are total content under Unit 4, that is operator set. Next, I discuss Unit 5, that is branching statement or decision making. Unit 5. Branching statement. Or decision making. Branching statement or decision making. If else, nested if, if else ladder, switch, switch expression, jumping statement, break, continue, and return. Break, continue, and return. These are total content under Unit 5. Next, I discuss Unit 6, that is loop or iterative statement. Unit 6. Loop or iterative statement. loop or iterative statement. Loop control structure. Entry control loop. Exit control loop. And for each loop. Jumping statement. Break. Continue. Return. And exit function. And exit function. These are total content under unit 6. Next, I discuss unit 7, that is array. Unit 7, array. Definition. Definition needs classification, one D array, one dimensional array, and multi-dimensional array. Definition needs classification, one dimensional and multi-dimensional array. One dimensional array. Declaration. Declaration. Memory presentation. Memory presentation. Accessing values and initialization. And initialization. Multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array. Declaration. Memory presentation. Accessing value. Initialize value. matrix operations, matrix presentation, matrix presentation with different operations. With different operations. At last, jagged array. Jagged array. These are total content under Unit 7, that is array. Next I discuss Unit 8, that is function or method overloading. Unit 8. Function or method and overloading. Function or method and overloading. Why function? Library function and user defined function. Function definition, function call, function declaration, function declaration, return statement, function argument, function argument, actual and formal, global and static variables, global and static variables, inline function, inline function, recursion, definition, basic concept, and workout example. And workout example. Method overloading. Method overloading. Those are total content under Unit 8. Similarly, I discuss Unit 9, that is class, object, constructor and destructor. Unit 9. Class, object, constructor, and destructor. Class, object, constructor, and destructor. Declaring class and object, nested and inner class, nested and inner class, static and non-static, static and non-static, singleton class, singleton class, anonymous class, anonymous class, constructor, copy constructor, copy constructor, deep and shallow, deep and shallow, constructor overloading, overloading ambiguity, both constructor and function. This keyword garbage collector, garbage collector, finalize method, understanding, static, understanding, static, command line argument, variable length argument, variable length argument. These are total content under unit 9, that is class, object, constructor and destructor. Similarly, I discuss next unit, that is Java modifiers. Unit 10, Java modifiers. Java modifiers. Java access modifiers. Java non-access modifier. Java non-access modifiers. The static modifier. The final modifier. The abstract modifier. Abstract modifier. The access control. The access control modifier. These are total content under Unit 10. Next I discuss Unit 11, that is string. String class, string function, string operations, string literals, string concatenation, string conversion, character extraction, string comparison, searching string, modifying a string, string buffer, string builder, string buffer and string builder. Those are total content under Unit 11, that is string. Next I discuss Unit 12, that is inheritance. Unit 12, inheritance. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, overriding, dynamic method dispatcher, dynamic method dispatcher, abstract class, role of static, in inheritance, role of static in inheritance, EJ relationship, Haje relationship, EJ relationship and Haje relationship. These are total content under unit 12, that is inheritance. Next I discuss unit 13, that is virtual function. Unit 13, virtual function. Here nothing to be discussed, just have to follow my video tutorials. Have to follow video tutorials. Next, unit 14, exception handling. Exception handling. Types of exception. Types of exceptions. Try, catch, finally, multiple try catch, nested try catch, throw, throws, uncaught exceptions. Built-in exception. Creating own exceptions. These are total content under exception. Similarly, Unit 15 package and Unit 16 interface, those are also like Unit 3, that is there is nothing to be mentioned, just have to follow video tutorials. Unit 15 and 16 package and interfaces. Package and interface. Package and interface. Just have to follow video lectures. Just have to follow video lectures. Next I discuss Unit 17, that is thread and animation. Unit 17. Thread and animation. Thread life cycle. Thread model. Multi-threading. Thread class. Thread class. Runnable interface. Creating single and multiple threads. Creating single and multiple threads. Thread prioritization. Synchronization. And communication. Thread prioritization, synchronization and communication. Suspending and resuming. Thread. Suspending and resuming thread. Animation example. Animation example. These are total content under thread and animation. Next, I discuss Unit 18, enumeration, wrapper class, autoboxing and annotation metadata. Unit 18, enumeration, wrapper class, enumeration, wrapper class, auto boxing, and annotation. Or metadata. Just have to follow. Video lectures. Next, I discuss Unit 19, that is applet. Applet basic, applet class, applet architecture, writing Java applet and embedding in HTML and embed in HTML, working with graphics, incorporate image and sound, event handling, listener interfaces, adapter, and inner class, banner applet, These are total content under applet. Unit 20. IOStream handling. Scanner class. file, directories, the stream classes, the stream classes, the byte stream, file input stream, file input stream, file output stream, byte array input stream, byte array output stream, byte array output stream, filtered byte stream, filtered byte stream, buffered byte stream, sequence input stream, sequence input, sequence input stream, print stream, print stream, data input stream, data output stream. Data input stream and data output stream. Random access file. Access file. Next, the character string. Next, the character string. Reader, writer, reader writer, file reader, file reader, char array, reader, char array, writer, char array reader, char array writer, buffered reader, buffered writer, pushback reader, pushback reader, print writer, print writer, the console class, IOStream. Next, serialization. Serialization. Serializable. Externalizable. Externalizable. Object output. Object output stream. Object output stream. Object input. Object input stream. Serialization example. Serialization example. Merit and demerit of stream. These are total content under unit 20, that is IOStream handling. Next, I discuss unit 21, Java calendar class and date and time handling, and similarly unit 22, Java library core only. Those two units just have to follow my video lectures. Unit 21, Java calendar class and date and time handling. Date and time handling. Unit 22, Java library core only. Core only. Have to follow my video tutorials. Have to follow my video tutorials. Next, I discuss unit 23, that is components of advanced Java. Components of advanced components of advanced Java. Await abstract window toolkit. Abstract window toolkit showing event handling, showing our GUI interface. Event handling, database handling, database handling, servlet, network programming, NIO, new IO, Java Beans, pattern matching, packaging tool, incubator, JFR, Java Flight Recorder, event streaming, JFR, Java Flight Recorder, event streaming. These are total content under unit components of advanced Java. This unit is very important and very large and very vast too. This is very important. Each chapter in this unit, that is await, showing, event handling, like this, each chapter or each unit itself may consider as an epic. When I discuss advanced Java, I mention there each chapter or each unit in depth. I just mention here what advanced Java is. Okay. Next, I have to discuss unit 24 and unit 25. Unit 24, workout example. Unit 25, that is last unit, module question, and interview was those two units are dynamic and time to time updatable, so all have to follow my video lecture periodically. Before going to start Java, I like to share a short information. I think it is very important to share. Java is one of the best programming languages created ever. It has been proved last 20 years. 2 decades is big time. Java gradually become stronger each passing day. If you like to be a passionate Java developer or strongly wish to be an Android or Python developer, first set your mind to have learned Java very well. Java has important and unavoidable role behind it. Nowadays, education section, research section fallen a great shortage of Java expert. IT market shouts or workout Java developer. They almost crying. Unemployment is a worldwide big issue. But finding out a fit person or efficient person for a particular job is another more big issue. Now question, why is Java so important? Java is strong or perfect object-oriented programming language. It is secured. It has a rich API like NetBeans, Eclipse, which are free at all. Moreover, Java itself is absolutely free and open source. It has wide range of open source libraries and wonderful community support. It is platform independent, so its tagline is write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere, or in acronym WARA. For that strong property, Java is everywhere. Desktop PC, laptop, palm top, mobile, smart TV, camera, printer, scanner, all comprise Java. More than 3 billion devices support Java. Can you imagine it? Surprising, unbelievable. In our daily life, knowing or unknowingly, we are swimming in a big world of Java. Do you have more expectation from Java? If you ask me, I have nothing at all. Go Java, I can accommodate you. Don't mind. In case of programming language, Java is everything and everywhere. I don't like to long my speech anymore. Thank you all. Be happy, be fine.